Hi, you've entered Patty's Kitchen. I love all of my gifts, but these are two of my most precious gifts from two of my grandboys. And Jeremiah gave me the plaque. Patty's Kitchen, where great meals, sweet treats, and loving memories are made. And we are making memories in this kitchen. Tyler and I are always in here cooking something. Tyler is my videographer. He's my cameraman and my helper. He helps me with everything, all of the electronics, and I'm very grateful. I love these two boys and I thank them so much. They made me smile because I love being in the kitchen. I needed a new rolling pin, and Tyler gave me that rolling pin, and this plaque is phenomenal from Jeremiah. Thank you. I hope all of you have a very Merry Christmas. And Patty will be in the kitchen today showing you some delicious dishes. We'll talk to you soon.